Welcome back to PM Data Lab. Last time we cleaned up some messy data, but today we are leveling up with some simple but powerful Excel formulas that will save time and make you feel like an Excel wizard. Ready? Let's dive in. In this video, we are going to explore 5 powerful categories of Excel functions. Text to clean and extract names or titles. Dates to calculate experiences, age or deadlines. Logic using if to make smart decisions. Max for quick salary calculations and reports. Bonus, a few extra formulas that take your skills to the next level. We will walk through everything using real examples. Let's get started. Here is the demo dataset. We will be working with 75 employees, including their names, departments, salaries, and joining dates, so on. We will use this data to apply each formula step by step. Nice and easy. Ready? Let's go! Text functions. These help us to clean, extract, and combine text. Want the first 3 letters of the first name? Use left function. Left, column name here is B2, then number of character 3. It is useful for initials. Suppose we need to extract last 4 letters of the last name. Use right function. Right of column name C2, number of character 4. It is perfect for IDs or suffix. To extract the characters from the middle, use middle function. Mid of column name, here A2, starting position 2, number of character 3. Start at the second letter, it takes 3 character. Next, TEXTJOIN. To join the first and last names, use TEXTJOIN. Text joins of true column name 1 and column name 2. It even handles blank cells true. See, first name and last name combines together. Change the column name into full name. Perfect. Suppose we want to remove extra spaces because extra spaces causing trouble. Use trim function. Trim of column name. It's clean up instantly. Also try upper, lower, proper, replace, substitute, find function. These are great for cleaning and organizing text data. Now let's move on the date function. It's perfect for working with experience, ages and reports. To get today's date, use today function. It auto updates daily. To extract specific part of the date, for example, want to extract year from the date of joining, use year function. Year of column name, here E2. Similarly, want to extract month, use month function. Month of column name. Suppose want to calculate experience in years, very simple. DATEDIF function. DATEDIF of column name, date of joining, today function, comma, y. Y represent years. It's quick and clear. Sometimes we need the last day of the joining month. Use EOMONTH. EO means end of month. EOMONTH of column name E2, 0. Most of the times we want to count total working days since joining. Use network function. Network days of column name, today function. It excludes weekends. More data tools to export. Now EDATE, weekday. It's great for summarize and dashboard. Let's jump into max function. It's perfect for handling salaries, bonus, or any numeric data. To round up the values to two decimal places, use round function. Round off column name, comma 2. Make your reports looks neat. To round up the values by using ceiling function, ceiling of column name, comma 100. To round down the values by using floor function. Floor of column name, comma 100. Useful for grouping values. To check if the number in the column is even or odd, use mod function. Mod of column name, comma 2. Suppose we get result is 0, it is an even number, otherwise odd number. To count non-empty cells in a column, count A function. Count A of column range, handy for tracking entries. Want to calculate total salary by using sum function, sum of column range. Here F2 to F76. Easy to get total salary. Other helpful formulas: abs, int, power, COUNTIF, average, max, and min. Time to export logical functions. These help us to make decisions based on data. To check if salary is high or low, using if function. If column name greater than 5000 means high or otherwise low. Simple and effective. Suppose we need both conditions to be true. For example, salary above 5000 and department is IT. Use if and function. If of and column name greater than 5000 and column name department IT, condition yes or no. Next, sometimes one condition is enough. For example, salary above 5000 or department is HR. Use if or function. If of or column name greater than 5000, department equal to HR, condition yes or no.
Now, next, multiple if function. This formula is useful for segregate the employee based on salary. Multiple conditions, one formula. Now we split employees in three categories. Salary above 70,000 means high. Below 7,000 means medium. And below 5,500 means low. Easy to identify the employee categories, super effective. Right. Also check out not, XOR, switch, true, false, if error function. Advanced tools for smarter formulas. Still curious? Great. Here are some bonus formulas you can explore on your own. Text of date for clean date formatting. Switch function, better than multiple IFs. EDATE function, shift dates forward for billing. COUNTIF function, count specific categories. Power function for exponential calculations. We'll cover more of these in future videos. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Text functions, great for cleaning and handling names or text data. Left, right, mid. Extract parts of text from beginning, end, or middle. TEXTJOIN, join multiple text values into one. Trim, remove unwanted spaces for clean, tidy data. Date functions, helpful for calculating time-based insights. Year to day, get specific parts of a date or the current date. DATEDIF, calculate experience or age by finding the difference between two dates. EOMONTH, get the last day of a month, useful for reporting math functions, essential for financial and numerical analysis. Round, clean up decimal places for better readability. COUNTIF, count entries that meet a specific condition. Logic functions, help you make smart rule-based decisions. If, check a condition and return results like high or low. and IFS. Evaluate multiple conditions at once. IFERROR. Prevent error messages and keep your sheet clean. Awesome, right? These are some of the most useful and practical Excel tools every user should know. Mastering them will definitely speed up your workflow and make your reports shine. That's it for today's video. Next time, we'll explore the exciting world of lookup functions, including VLOOKUP, index match, and the powerful XLOOKUP. So stay tuned because it's only getting better from here. Hi friends! Now it's your turn to try things out on your own. We've shared the same Excel dataset we used in this video. It's available for download. Just check the description below. Here's your task. Step by step, use functions like left, MIDI, or CONCAT to clean and combine names. Use DATEDIF to calculate how many years each employee has worked. Try IF and IFS to categorize salaries as high, medium, or low. Use round to clean up decimal values. Calculate bonus amounts using the bonus % column. And finally, use IFERROR to handle any possible errors in your formulas. Don't worry if it's your first time. Just take it step by step. Practice is the best way to learn Excel. So practice every day, and this small task will build big confidence. Once you're done, drop a comment and let me know which formula you liked the most or found tricky. Alright, download the file, give it a go, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PM Data Lab for more awesome content every week. And I'll see you in the next video. Let's learn together, grow together.